What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on recess activity, Recess Beer Band is back on her home having spending time with her family. Recess Beer Band uploaded a short video clip of her that she's on her home. Recess Beer Band captioned it, getting home in time to see the sunset. It feels like a beautiful day that nobody feels like home. Today, on a Dex activity, Nadeko Gimia posted on Instagram that he was having a dinner with friends E.T., New JC, May Sapir, and Bian. Nadeko Gimia captioned it, "Oh Nam Nam," which is, the food was good. New GCP teasing Messiah that was she was sorry for having a dinner date with Nadek. Or says Spearman can't help it, but commented to the post and says, "Such a foodie, this tastes Bobby." Nadak and friends got a delicious food last night. Yesterday, Nadak Nimi got his final videos from Singapore magazine. Nadak Nimi got his perfect looks as a new model from Nuju. Many fans was so happy to the news that Nadek will be on set together with his lovely girlfriend Urasaya.